A pleasant greetings to all. In this video, I am going to explain the maximum power transfer theorem. First, we are going to see the statement of maximum power transfer theorem. The maximum power transfer theorem states that maximum power is delivered from a source to a load when the load resistance is equal to the source resistance. Load resistance RL is equal to the source resistance RL. Next, we are going to see the derivation of maximum power transfer theorem. To find out the resistance RL for maximum power transfer theorem, first we have to consider the circuit which consists of voltage source, RS and RL. So what is RS? RS is the source resistance. And what is RL? RL is the variable load resistance. First, we are going to find out the current I for the circuit. So I is equal to, according to the Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. What is V? V is Vs, R is Rs plus RL. Next, find out what is the power transferred to the load. P is equal to I square into RL. So I square, that is Vs square divided by Rs plus RL the whole square into RL. Equation number 1. To determine the value of RL for the maximum power to be transferred to the load, first we have to differentiate P with respect to RL and that is equated to 0. So dP by dRL that should be equated to 0. Now take the P value. So P is Vs square divided by Rs plus RL the whole square into RL. Here Vs is a constant one. Take Vs outside. So P is equal to Vs square into, inside we are having RL divided by Rs plus RL the whole square. Next we are going to find out dP by dRL. So Vs square into U by V formula V du Rs plus RL the whole square into differentiation of RL with respect to RL, that is 1 minus RL into 2 into Rs plus RL, that's all, the whole divided by Rs plus RL the whole power 4. The next step, take dP by dRL equal to 0 and take Rs plus RL outside. So inside we are having Rs plus RL minus 2RL divided by Rs plus RL that is equivalent to 0. RL the whole cube. So whole power 4. Here both are cancelled. We get Rs plus RL cube. Now you have to cross multiply this. We get Rs minus RL that is equal to 0. So next Rs equal to RL. So what is the condition for maximum power transferred from source to load, that is source resistance should be equivalent to load resistance. Now what is the maximum power transferred to the load? I is equal to what? RL into Vs square divided by Rs plus RL the whole square. Now instead of Rs you have to put RL. So RL into Vs square divided by RL plus RL the whole square. So RL into Vs square divided by 4RL square. Both are get cancelled. What is the power transfer to the load? That is Vs square by 4RL when source resistance is equal to load resistance. So this is the maximum power transfer theorem. Thank you. Have a nice day.